Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the TracFone Motorola Moto E6, a budget-friendly prepaid smartphone that promises a lot for a little. This phone comes locked to TracFone, so keep that in mind if you're considering switching carriers down the line. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, you'll notice the 5.5-inch Max Vision HD display. While not the sharpest on the market, it's certainly adequate for everyday use, from browsing social media to watching videos. The colors are decent, and the screen is large enough to comfortably consume content. Powering the Moto E6 is a 1.4 GHz octa-core processor paired with 2 GB of RAM. This combination handles basic tasks smoothly, but don't expect to be playing any demanding games. You'll experience some lag with more intensive applications. It runs Android 9 Oreo, which, while not the latest version, still offers a solid user experience. One area where the Moto E6 pleasantly surprised me is the camera. The 13MP rear camera with LED flash takes surprisingly decent photos in good lighting conditions. It's not going to rival flagship phone cameras, but for capturing everyday moments, it's perfectly capable. The 5MP front-facing camera with screen flash is also adequate for selfies and video calls. Now let's talk storage. The Moto E6 comes with 16 GB of internal storage, which is quite limited in today's world. However, it does support a micro SD card up to 256 GB, so you can easily expand the storage if needed. Just remember to factor in the cost of an SD card if you're a heavy media user. The 3000 mAh battery is another highlight of this phone. With moderate usage, you can easily get through a full day on a single charge. This is a big plus for those who are always on the go. In terms of connectivity, the Moto E6 offers 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2. It covers the basics, ensuring you can stay connected wherever you are. It also includes some exclusive Moto experiences, like Moto Actions, which add some convenient shortcuts and gestures to enhance the user experience. So who is this phone for? The TracFone Motorola Moto E6 is a great option for those on a tight budget who need a reliable smartphone for basic tasks. It's perfect for students, seniors, or anyone looking for a secondary device. It's not a powerhouse, but it gets the job done. If you're a heavy gamer or need a phone with cutting-edge features, this isn't the phone for you. But if you prioritize affordability and simplicity, the Moto E6 is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Moto E6. Have you tried it? What are your experiences? And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.